My name's Jay Stevens. I'm a 28-year-old online entrepreneur, published author, eBay power seller, national keynote speaker, and founder of YourWorkFromHomePlace.com, who in the last 2 years has done over $1 million in sales. Like many other people, I spent countless hours and thousands of dollars being scammed and trying to find out ways to make money on the internet. Over the last couple of years, I have dealt with all sorts of companies and been involved heavily on the internet with marketing and research development. From all my hard work and experiences, I've written a book, 10 Ways to Make Money Online. This published book contains a list of 10 different ways with detailed explanations on each about how to make money using the internet from home, and contains tips and tricks of the trade to help you along your road to success. These 10 different ways definitely have the potential to make you money and give you the financial dream you've been hoping for. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom, work a 9-to-5 and looking to make some extra cash, or a budding online entrepreneur, one of my methods is bound to work for you. I've also developed a free, money-making, turnkey autopilot website for those who want to jump right in and start making money. You may choose as many categories from our list of topics to custom tailor your site to your specific interests and hobbies. Every site we create comes with a custom banner, layout, and color scheme as well, so your site is unique from all other sites. Your website, your design, your control. YourWorkFromHomePlace.com also offers live, one-on-one coaching with me, Jay Stevens, directly over the phone, or email coaching with one of my personally trained staff members to help you get off the ground and start making money. You're probably asking yourself, why would I share all this information instead of keeping it to myself? I'll tell you why. I run a very successful online business and have other brick and mortar companies which I've started with the money I've made on the internet. I am personally not interested in jobs such as surveys, mystery shopping, selling wholesale, affiliate marketing, and so forth, or I'm reaping the benefits from already doing so. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is for people who want to start a business or just make a few extra dollars on the side and are tired of being scammed. While some of these methods are more lucrative than others, as long as they are all done properly, they all have the potential to generate revenue. Here's a sneak peek at some of the information you will find in my book. The first example is completing paid surveys. There are plenty of sites with surveys on the net, but they only pay around 50 cents to $3 per survey. Almost all these companies charge you a fee for just signing up. In my book, I'll show you how to make up to $50 per survey without having to pay any setup fee. Just think, you can start making money the day you sign up instead of having to complete surveys for over a month before seeing the benefits. The second example is mystery shopping. There are so many companies on the net that claim to have the info you need, but when it's all said and done, you end up paying out money or wind up in a scam. There truly are businesses out there that will pay you money for reviewing other companies or testing products. I know this because associates of mine have done it in their spare time. Again, you may ask yourself, why would I give out this information? Well, this type of work is a per town situation, so it doesn't matter if you live in Houston, for example, while I live in another area. In my book, I'll give you all the direct places to go without wasting any more of your time and money. The final example is domain parking. Most sites that you register a domain with will let you monetize it with ads for a small fee per month. In my book, I'll show you companies that won't charge you monthly fees to monetize your domain. For example, if you own dogsandcats.com and you're paying $5 a month to monetize your domain, and if you don't receive any clicks per month, essentially you're losing $60 per year per domain. If you're only making $5 per month on this domain, essentially you're breaking even versus making any revenue. This may seem minute to you, but if you have 10 domains, you've just made $600 a year instead of losing $600 per year. So if you own multiple domains, you now have a turnkey site instead of a site that's costing you unnecessary money. So in closing, I hope this preview of information has served you well and sparked your interest in making money from home. If you're tired of the scams and wasting your time, you've come to the right place. Unlike other sites, I give you 10 proven ways that all have the potential to generate revenue. If you're still not convinced, please click the video which shows you actual footage of my online bank account. If you're interested, please click on the products page to purchase one of my packages. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Remember, always work smarter, not harder.